Okay, we got Mia and Bo playing in the creek up here at Wilkes County at the dog park, and they're just having a time. Mia, get in the water. Get in the water, girl. Ah! Ah! There you go. I could do some still clips of these too. Bo loves the water, and naturally he's a lab. He would. Yes, he will. Look here, boys, girls. He says no play fair. No play fair. We're going to take this video clip and hope that we can get a couple of action shots of them playing with each other. We're giving Mia the advantage here. She's not on a leash because she will stay with us. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Mia Pia. Come on, girl. Come here, girl. See, if she goes down that waterfall, she'll have to swim her way back up. Don't let her pull. Don't let him pull you in. Advantaged Mia. I should get a couple of good shots out of this. What do you think, Bo? What do you think, Bo?
He is gonna feel good when we
Yeah, he is. He is. Mia swimming. Swim, girl. That's over your head, Bo. No, she was swimming out there. It was over her head. Well, I better stop this before Ann gets pulled in.